Okay, so tell me if this ever happens to you, friends. The other day I was at the thrift store and I'm flipping through the racks and I felt like every cute item of clothing that I saw was by a Target brand. So I'm flipping through and I pull out this gorgeous floral midi skirt and it's like, oh, universal thread, a Target brand. I'm flipping through, I see the most adorable denim shorts, oh, a new day. Target makes the cutest stuff. And I actually have a video on my channel from a little while back that is a what sold video from Target. Target makes cute stuff, everybody likes it, it's always on point trend-wise, and it sells okay in like the $12 to $30 range, depending on whether it's pre-owned or new, or depending on the style. So I went ahead and ordered myself a Jomar Wholesale box that is all Target brands and new tags. I'm pretty excited. I'm actually hoping there'll be some things in here that I can keep for myself to update my spring wardrobe. I'm filming this in April 2021. Everyone's starting to go out again, get dressed up. People are starting to go to dinner, have parties, and I want some fun new spring stuff for my own wardrobe. So stay with me, friends. This is going to be a Jomar Wholesale unboxing and review box. This is, video. This is going to be... Please know, I do include bloopers all the way at the end of the video. All the bloops that I make throughout the entire video, we're all having a lot of fun with. So stay till the end so you can see the fun bloopers and laugh with us. This is going to be a Jomar Wholesale unboxing and review video. Let me tell you a little bit about the box. We'll open it up and we'll do the unboxing and it'll be fun. I'm so glad that you are here. If you're new, I'm a part-time reseller and I buy this stuff from Jomar Wholesale to resell on Poshmark and eBay. I've been doing it about 10 years. So this box is a New Day and Universal Thread. Those are like my favorite brands from Target. Women's Spring 30-piece pack. So this is a huge box this time. I'm gonna let you know the price on it. I do have a discount link if you're interested in ordering anything from Jomar. They're like my favorite right now. I am so happy with my boxes. I have tons of unboxings on the channel. So if you're a reseller and you're looking for a great way to get inventory, you could watch these videos and see, hey, would I be happy with what Quimby's getting in those boxes? Maybe consider it for yourself. My discount link is The Grateful Queen, all one word. Always shop on Jomar with a discount. Okay, so this box was $138 for 30 pieces. I have a discount link that I used. Shipping was 29 bucks. So my total on this box was $133.19. I'll pop up on the screen.
Pop it up, pop it up.
I'll pop up on the screen what that means it costs per item. What is my cost of goods on this? And Target brands are not going to flip for huge money, but they consistently flip. These are new tags. I think I'm going to do okay. Let's get into it. And I really hope there's some things in here that I can keep because oh my God, look at this. Yes, yes, yes. Like a ton. It looks like dresses. Now dresses, I have sold new tags, Target, rompers, jumpsuits in the $30 range, and I am in love with this print. Oh, please let there be something for me in here. Oh, it matches the colors of my shirt. When I make a video on this shirt, I get a lot of comments. It's Rebecca Taylor. It's a silk blouse, another great brand. Okay, so hopefully there'll be mixed sizes. This is a size small. It retailed for $27.99. It's by a New Day. I don't have to show you every tag, you guys, because I think it's mostly all the same brand. This is a long maxi dress. Look at how cute. Maxi dresses are really hot for spring, summer 2021. Everyone's doing them. Free People, Anthropology. I'm looking for some for myself. Love the colors on that. I wouldn't mind getting multiples either because then I only have to build one listing on Poshmark or eBay. So it's like really working smart. I think this is the same dress in an XL, but a different color scheme maybe. A long floral maxi. It has this keyhole cutout on the back, kind of a high neck and a balloon sleeve. These are all keywords that I will put in my title. So if you're a beginner and you're trying to learn how to make the best titles so people find your items and they sell, pay attention to like keywords and things. So our title for this, I would put a new day women's dress, size XL. I would put nude tag at the very beginning. I would put maxi because it's long, floral, and then I might do some fun keywords like bohemian, things like that. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's all shoved in here. Oh, wow, look at this. Universal Threads, the other brand. These are like my two favorite brands from Target, the ones I like the most, Universal Thread and A New Day. Side, this is a plus size. It retailed for $29.99, so I'll probably put it up for $20 plus shipping. This is so on point style-wise. So it's a long maxi dress, and it's got what's called smocking, which is very popular. It's this elasticize area. Now, in 2021, everything's about the sleeve. Ruffle sleeve, special sleeves. Look at the ruffle sleeves on this. Elastic waist, long, and it has like a ruffle hem. Oh, please let there be one of those in my size. I've been scouring eBay, you guys, looking for maxi skirts, maxi dresses, ruffles. It's all about the ruffles. This is the same dress in a different color in a size medium. This might fit me. I wonder if it's off the shoulder a little bit. All that ruffle goodness. It's kind of tiered. That's awesome. I'm going to try that one on. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, multiples. So this is a size medium and a size extra small. It retailed for $29.99. It's a denim dress. Oh God, this is so cute. Like, really? It's a denim dress with an elastic waist and a zip and some pockets. I think of this kind of like a cargo dress. Have you guys had the opportunity to use eBay to sell multiples? So you can make a multi-quantity listing. So I'll find a stock photo since these are new, and then I will build a multi-quantity listing with the different sizes that I have. One listing, multiple sales. So that's like really smart for saving time. And let me make a crinkly. Let me just get focused on the video. Okay, this is just a stretchy top. It only retailed for $10. Size extra small, ribbed, stretchy crop top. Oh, this has the Swiss dot. Oh, I love this. Size medium. I'll let you know sizes and stuff. If you want to purchase any of this from me, my store and closet name are listed in the description section below. You can also message me at thegratefulqueen@gmail or on Instagram. Find me. I sell directly to people all the time. This is like a peasant top. It has a drawstring waist, a balloon sleeve, and see how it's got these raised dots? That is called a Swiss dot. So that's a really great keyword because people like Swiss dot. Ooh, look at this color. This color, mustard, is very hot. So in my title, I would definitely put mustard yellow. Size extra small, another peasant top with a balloon sleeve, but look at the print on that. Isn't that gorgeous? For 2021 style trends, I'm seeing a lot of beautiful florals. Yes, we have the cottage core with little tiny romantic looking flowers, but I'm seeing a lot of bright colors, red and hot pink and mustard and purples and big flowers, long skirts, long dresses. So I've got to get myself some. Now, oh my God, like look at this, you guys, really? Like, it is packed in here. 30 items is also a lot of items. Okay, I think I have something pleather or leather on my lap. Oh my God. Oh, I see something animal print. Seriously? Yes, I'm a very excitable human being. Oh, so cute, and they're size small. Okay, these are adorable and so trendy. Leopard print, animal print, super hot. This is called a paper bag waist when it's kind of cinched and there's a tie on it. Leopard print shorts, super cute, retailed for $19.99. I'll probably put them on for $15 with shipping. Is there a pair in my size? Size medium. Multiple quantity baby. That's really good for me as a reseller. But I'm probably going to be like a large. Oh, bummer. A New Day, size 12. These are a pair of these pants. I have a pair of Acne Studios pants, which is a super hot brand, Bolo brand, Acne Studios. I have a pair of pants just like this, listed for $200 right now in my Posh Closet and eBay store. They're like a high-waisted pleated, almost like a take on the 80s, 90s, what I'd call like a mom pant. But 12 is a great size. I'll put the numeral 12, and then I'll also put like XL in my listing in case someone's searching about like that. Oh my gosh. This retailed for $24.99. It's a size medium. It's a faux leather midi skirt. So midi comes down like mid-calf instead of full length. That'd be a maxi if it was full length. Just a faux leather midi skirt. I don't know who's wearing that, but oh gosh, look at this, you guys. Please fit me. It's an accordion micro pleat skirt. It totally matches my top. $27.99. Size medium. I might be able to wear this. It's like a high-waisted midi skirt. Really popular for right now, this bright florals. This is called an accordion pleat or a micro pleat, so I'll often make sure to put in my title both or make sure it's at least in my description. I mean, isn't that fantastic? I know it's just Target, but this stuff is so good. And I love you, Jomar, for sending me mixed sizes, a variety of pieces, a variety of styles. This is super cute. It's a linen skirt, size large. Again, with that paper bag waist and a striped linen. Oh my God, this gives me beach vibes. Like, if you're driving to the beach, maybe you're gonna stop and get a coffee or something or a lemonade, and you're in your cute little skirt with like just a white tee or something. Mini skirt. Oh, I love that.
I wonder how much of this is gonna actually make it into my stores, or is it gonna go right into my closet?
Which is a very bad reseller habit. I do it all the time. Okay, size 12, stretch elastic, kind of a coral salmon pink. Women's classic chino shorts. Size 12, 5-inch inseam stretch chino short. Totally classic. Let me check the time because I do have a client. I probably squished this video in.
A little too squishy squish.
Because I was so excited. I'm really hoping for some new fun stuff in here for me and to put in my store, but let me check the time. I bet I can finish this video in 5-10 minutes. Ooh, these are cute. High-waisted size 6. These could be like a career trouser, but they're super high-waisted and they have a belt and they have a really wide leg. Seriously, Target, they are like so on top of the current trends and styles. Those are adorable. Super high waist, wide leg. Oh, another one of these skirts. Excellent. And this one's an extra small, so I'm hoping one of these fits me. I wish there was a large. These colors must be really hot because I'm seeing these purples and pinks together in a lot of these styles. Another pair of these chinos in a size 12. That's awesome. I can do a multi-quantity listing. You guys know I love linen. Pro tip. In the spring and summer, I start getting tons of linen. For me, it's regardless of brand. Wide leg linen pants, linen tunics, tops, everything linen. It's classic. People search by linen, not necessarily by name brand, and I've sold a ton of linen. People love it. Yes, get it in your store and closet. Oh, good. This is a size medium. It's another one of those skirts, like high paper bag waist, but it's just in a solid green. I'm loving this. Oh my God, there's so much more. There's so much more. And it's all so good. Look at this. I love mystery boxes. Do you buy mystery boxes? They've been such a game changer for me in my business because it saves me so much time to get a mystery box so everything comes to my house. I don't have to go out thrifting all the time. Now, I love thrifting probably as much as you do. I'm a thrifter at heart, but a business decision that's really smart has been getting 30 pieces of inventory to my door that I don't have to go out sourcing for. I just think it's brilliant. Not me being brilliant. I mean, it's just a good business idea. Oh, cute. So this is a ribbed stretchy t-shirt in a size large. That's awesome. This would go so great with any of these skirts. Oh gosh, this is amazing. Size medium, $24.99. Look it, you guys know I'm a boho California girl and I live for all this lace and crochet. Look at the details on this. A nice peasant top with tons of lace and crochet. Then I have some simple pieces. So they give me dresses, long dresses, pants, short skirts. This is an amazing box. A 2XL women's stretchy pink tee, love it. These would be outfits. Maybe I should put them together in little outfits. Have you guys done that where you sell like a bundle or an outfit? That'd be kind of fun. Okay, this is again with the sleeves, so good. A new day, size small, stretchy top, but look at the sleeve. See how it's a flutter sleeve, kind of ruffly? Everything I'm seeing for trends for 2021 is the big sleeve. I'm seeing every type of sleeve. Bell sleeve, ruffles and bells, huge ruffliness. Can I
say ruffle anymore in this video?
Ruffle. Lots of ruffles, baby. Size XL, so this is a different shirt actually, but again, it has a balloon sleeve, but a short sleeve balloon sleeve with some pleating. Ooh, look at this color. You guys, I might be getting my whole new spring wardrobe right now from Target. Maybe I'll try some of these things on. Another ruffly sleeve and kind of a really cool like mustard brown. Oh, I wish this was in my size because I love linen. A linen tank, kind of a halter neckline on this one, but it's so small. All new with tags, you guys. This is so good. Oh, look at this, hot pink. This is like a sweater tank, like a nubby sweater tank. Would that be too much to like, if you wore this with this skirt? I mean, I don't know. If you're like someone who can wear color, that'd be awesome. Some animal print, love it. Size large, like a silky white animal print top. Yes, please. Ooh, and oh, look at it's the matching top. Target's so smart. I love you, Jomar. This box is awesome. Size large linen tank. Now, sets, matchy sets are still really popular. I'm seeing a lot of like smaller top with a long skirt or pantsuits like sets. I don't know if someone would wear this all together, but maybe they could as a set. Aww. This is hilarious because like, look at my shirt with this. That was it. It was awesome. I'm gonna make a lot of money. I have 30 pieces and it was only $133. I don't know if this box is still available, but they do have tons of boxes available. Check out Jomar, use my discount link, The Grateful Queen, and I'll see you next time. I'm so glad you were here with me. Bye bye, bye bye, bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye. Love you guys, see you soon. Bye. Let's change the angle of this a little because I don't know what's happening. Looks a little bit like crooked. What else is new? Could just be me. Okay. Grab some things down here. Fix the crazy hair. Drink some water, Gotta stay hydrated, friends. Oh yeah. I have tons of unboxings on the channel, so I'm glad you are here. Okay, That's not attractive. Yeah. It's a bad reseller habit to want to keep all the clothes, but I often do it. Ruffles.